So hey guys, and welcome back. So today we are going to create a card effect with hover. So let's start the video. Upside of this I am creating a container. So in that container I want to create a card. Creating style. Inside that I am adding universal, adding 0, margin 0, box sizing, border box, then body. So in body I want to use display flex, justify content center, align item center, and bg color I want to dark gray. It's a flip. I want to add a color dark gray, something like this. So after that I'm here to create a div. So first of all remove this first card. In the card I want to add a card header. I'm creating a div with a card header. Inside the card header I want to add image. After card header I am creating here card body. So let me just copy this and then comment, and then I am creating a div with this name. So in that body basically it's my detail card. Okay, details. So in the details there I want to add a h2, basically the heading of that image what we want to add. After that I'm adding break, then paragraph, lorem 8 here, lorem 7, and then again br for breaking the line, and I'm adding a button. So learn more, something like this. So now we are going to create a container. So let's see, container. Let's view the page. So how we got this, basically in a container minimum width I want to use 1400 pixel, and height is 100 vh, so something like this. Let's So here our container is created with this, and then I'm adding justify content center here also, and then align item center also, same goes to here. So it's here. Okay, so basically, so then after that I'm adding a card effect here. So let's make a card with the background color, white, and then let's see height. So I want to add height here 450 pixels. Let's add width here 340 pixel, something like this. And then in that we are going to add a card header. So card header from here, and after inside that we have a child data image. So for this the arrow is there. After that I'm going to add an image. So here I got this image. So inside the image I'm going to add the link over here, and then now where is the card image over here. So I want to add overflow hidden. So whenever we are adding a image, so if we not add this, so see the reaction of the image. So it's overflowing from card, so I want to hide that overflow. So I want to hide that overflow from here. So then Now we are going to add a sizings for image. Let's give a height 200 pixel, something like this. So I want to give a good effect. So for that, so I want to add a card header. Let's give here height 50%. Let's check the background, how it's working from here. Okay, so it's good now. And then I will add here. So basically, let's see height 300, how it's working. So from here, it's also overflowing from that container from the parent of the image. So I want to add here overflow hidden. So now you can see, so it's not that overflowing anymore. So let's do 250 or 260. It's 260 is enough. So, and then I'm adding here Mumbai city. So detail. So here I'm adding, let's add a hover effect here. So then hover. Let's add transition all 0.3 seconds and then ease in, ease out here. And for hover, we are going to add transform scaling. Scale. Let's add scale. I want to add this. If the default is 1, okay, so whatever we are doing, it's not working on the hover. If I do here 10, so it will zoom 10x like this. So I just want to add here 1.2 maybe. So let's see how it's working. Not 1.2, maybe 1.1. So 1.1 is good. So you can do on your own. So that's fine. And after that, in detail, we are going to add a padding, basically just 10 pixels. And for that, I want to give a good font family. Roboto, actually. So this font, basically I like it. And then, so let's give me here, let me change H2 to H1. But then, so we did it. For now, I want to add a curve in my card. Border radius, let's 10 pixel. No, it's maybe 8 pixel, something little bit smoother. Okay. After that, I will add, let me design a button here. Let's in detail. Let's do text color white and digit color orange. So let me do the little bit darker. So that looks a bit good now. Okay, so after that, so we did it. So I want to do remove the border. Let's here none. And in that, I want to add a padding. Let's do 10 pixel. Let's see how it's okay. I will do 15 pixel maybe. It's great. And border radius 10 pixel. I want to do it rounded, so let's do 20. It's something like this. After creating this, now we have to just copy the card 3 times. Now just we have to copy the card 3 times over here. So now we have 3 cards. So in that I want to add a gap in the container, gap 20 pixel, so something like this. So 20 pixel is not that, okay, 40, maybe 50, let's do 50 pixels gap here. And after that I want to give something, a paragraph to different things. So where is the paragraph? So this paragraph in detail, so let's see, detail E, I want to add color a lightish gray, let's say only gray. So yeah, so let's add a hover effect to our this also button also. Let's do hover transition all 0.4 second linear. So in that I want to add a basic color from light orange, something like this. Let's add a box shadow here. Let's give 2 pixel, 2 pixel and blur 15 pixel, and the color I'm going to give 15. So it's too much for, so here I just want to do the 1 pixel, 1 pixel. So this is the vertical. Just a gray color here. Let's give a 3 here. So let's see in the minus how it reacts. Okay, so this, I think this is the way that we can see the best side effects with the, so let's change first of all. So we created, so I'm going to change here the image. After that I'm just getting this image, the New York image. So this one is pretty cool. So I'm adding in the third card. So here our third image created. So the one issue is coming here. So whenever I am doing hover on the card also, so it's showing me the effect on button. So I have to just do here the one thing to remove this and then add hover on here. So it will work whenever I just have to remove this, so it will work now. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope you like this video. For more tutorials you have to just subscribe and like and comment. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment box, so then I can solve it. So I will try to give some practice projects like this. So make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care, keep coding, bye bye.